We're going to take our painter's tape and simply place it on our cutting boards, cutting them about in half for this project. Then we'll take the acrylic paint and paint the top half of our board white. This will probably take 2 layers, and once the acrylic paint is dry, we want to coat it with Mod Podge. Now we'll add our holiday greeting or quote on to the cutting board. I've cut my quotes out of vinyl using my Silhouette, but you could find stickers at Michael's or the dollar store, or even use acrylic paint to paint on your holiday greeting. Now finally, you are going to add the embellishments to the board. I've just selected some holiday faux florals from the dollar store. I'll just add them to one corner of my board.